So in this video we will discuss ionic compounds generally have high melting point and boiling point. So what is the reason? So this is the explanation. The statement is, because ionic bonds are formed by strong electrostatic interaction between ions and hence more energy is required to break these bonds. So the statement tells ionic bonds are formed through strong electrostatic interaction. So electrostatic interaction has attraction and repulsion. So electro is nothing but electric force, statics are ions. So electrostatic is nothing but the positive and negative, whether it repels, whether this repels or attracts. So this is the electrostatic interaction between the ions. So this phenomena occurs between the ions, and through this more energy is required. So to break that bond, more energy is required. So ionic compounds have high melting point and boiling points. So I have taken water molecule as an example. Oxygen is bonded to 2 hydrogen with a bent structure. Oxygen has negative delta and hydrogens have positive delta. This is the interaction. A low electrostatic attraction is taking place. So this oxygen is getting bonded to the other molecule of water, that is other molecule of water with hydrogen. So the positive negative delta of oxygen and positive delta of hydrogen, their interaction takes place. So here also the interaction is taking place. So this interaction is electrostatic attraction. Here I have been taking an example of sulfur, which is bonded to 4 fluoride atoms. Here sulfur is positive delta, whereas the 4 fluoride atoms are negative delta. Here the repulsion is taking place very much. Repulsion is like charges repel. For example, the repulsion takes place. So here the repulsion takes place, and the angle of the molecule, it just extends, pushes the atoms like randomly or haphazardly. This type of interaction is known as electrostatic repulsion. Both repulsion and attraction, both combiningly, it is known as electrostatic interaction. Due to this electrostatic interaction, the energy is required more, so to break this bond. So ionic bonds have generally high melting point and boiling point. Delta is nothing but charge, that is positive charge, and delta negative is negative charge.